Scan with the HP OfficeJet Pro 8120, 8130, 9110, 9120, and 9130 all-in-one printer series. Your HP printer offers a variety of different ways to scan your documents. You can scan using the free HP Smart app on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. If you don't have the HP Smart app, you can download it for free from your app store or by going to 123.hp.com. You can also scan directly from the printer control panel to your computer or to a USB device. If you signed up for HP Plus and created an HP account when you unbox the printer, then you can also scan from the printer to an email address or to a cloud location. This video covers how to scan using all of these methods. Before beginning a scan, make sure that your printer and your computer or mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Scan with the HP Smart app. Using the HP Smart app, you can scan from your computer or mobile device. Load your original document onto the scanner glass or into the document feeder if your printer has one. From the HP Smart home screen, scroll to your printer and then select the Scan tile. Select the source of your scan. You can choose to import a file from your computer or mobile device, capture an image using your device camera, or you can select the scanner on your printer. Select the Scan option to begin the scan. If you would like, you can adjust the boundaries of the scanned item. When you are done, save the changes. From here, you can print, save, or share your scan. Use the Scan to Email feature. Load your original document onto the scanner glass or into the document feeder if your printer has one. On your computer or mobile device, open the HP Smart app and log into your HP account. From the home screen, select the Shortcuts tile. Depending on the type of device you are using, select Enable, Renew, or Sync at the top of the screen to enable shortcuts to sync with the printer. Select the access period for Scan to Email to be available for use. Select Save and then select OK. On the printer control panel, tap Scan. Tap Scan to Email. Select the email address that you would like to send the scan to. Adjust the scan settings based on your preferences. And then tap Scan. On the Successfully Sent screen, tap OK. On the Add Additional Pages screen, tap Add if you would like to scan more pages, or tap Finish to complete the scan. Once you are done scanning all pages, you must select Finish or the scanned pages will not send. Use the Scan to Cloud feature. Using this feature, a scanned file can be retrieved from any computer or mobile device simply by logging into your HP account on the HP Smart app. Load your original document onto the scanner glass or into the document feeder if your printer has one. On the printer control panel, tap Scan. Tap Scan to Cloud. Select HP Cloud. If you have not set up an HP account or a cloud shortcut, you are brought to an Add Account or Shortcut screen. Select instructions to learn how to set these features up. Adjust the scan settings based on your preferences, and then tap Scan. On the Successfully Sent screen, tap OK. On the Add Additional Pages screen, tap Add if you would like to scan more pages, or tap Finish to complete the scan. Once you are done scanning all pages, you must select Finish or the scanned pages will not send. When you would like to access the scan, open the HP Smart app and log into your HP account. Scroll to the printer that you scanned from, then select the My HP Cloud Scan tile. Select the download icon to save the scan to your computer or mobile device. HP Cloud Scans are available for download for up to 72 hours after the scan was completed. After 72 hours, Cloud Scans are automatically deleted from the account. Use the Scan to Computer feature. The Scan to Computer feature is only available for Windows computers. To enable the Scan to Computer feature, you must first download the HP Universal Scan software. To do this, go to hp.com/HPScan. If prompted, select your country or region. Next to the HP Universal Scan Full Feature Software and Driver option, select Download. Follow the prompts to install the software. On the Connection Options screen, choose how you would like to connect the printer to your computer. HP recommends automatic setup. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the install. Once the install is complete, you are ready to scan to your computer. Load your original document onto the scanner glass or into the document feeder if your printer has one. On the printer control panel, tap Scan. Tap Scan to Computer. Select the computer that you would like to send the scan to. Select the file type that you would like the scan to be sent as to the computer, and then tap the green button to send the scan. The scan is sent to your computer. Use the Scan to USB feature. On the printer control panel display, tap Scan. Tap Scan to USB. Insert a USB device into the printer USB port. Enter a file name for the scan. Adjust the scan settings based on your preferences. Tap the green button to send the scan. The scan is then sent to the USB drive. Plug the USB drive into your computer to view the scan.